Everyday operations never stop, and when manual steps slow things down, people feel it. Even with powerful systems like SAP, too many processes still depend on paper, manual entry, or waiting to sync. That's not how modern operations work best. Now, imagine bringing SAP right to your front line, where work is happening. Zebra and Synactive make that possible. Real-time data entry, validation, and visibility right from the device in your hand. No middleware, no lag. Across metals, food and beverage, consumer goods, automotive, and distribution, the results are all the same. Fewer errors, faster fulfillment, and happier customers. Catch discrepancies before they become missed shipments with AI-driven validation. Save money by speeding up inventory and cycle counts with RFID integration. And simplify onboarding with voice-to-text and guided workflows. By combining SAP with RFID and AI, you can create connected operations fueled by real-time intelligence. Together, Zebra and Synactive bring SAP to the front line, where work flows faster, smarter, and more connected than ever.